Okay guys, so I have this cashier's check. I'm going to be putting down $15,000 towards my car, and then I will almost be debt free. I got $20,000 more to pay on it. Then I'll be debt free. I'll have no more debt. And then I'll be saving an extra $700 a month. We want to be debt free, guys, because let me tell you, when you have all that cash flow, all that cash you have access to that you're not paying the banks and not needing that interest, it's all you. Then you have all that money that you have access to, and you don't have to worry about shit. No bills, no monthly bills at least, towards debt. Let's get debt free.